Hello, my people. I greet the followers on Untouchable Mama. Hope una dey fine. Una do what una tell the help me to share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. Without una, who be me na? God go dey bless una more and more. My people, this one an update about this girl when they call Love Cruise. Una know say video go all social media. This guy will be say he knows somebody for website for Tinder. My people, now for me this guy will be say he tell us make they come out, you know. So this one are the update of this video, because some people they talk say this video will be say Love Cruise put for our side say no be real. Why some they talk say na real? Say maybe she want just do like una know the one wey they do now, when they call prank for this side, prank for the other one. So according to this video, this man go ask and say wetin really happen. Then she go dey talk say she see this person for Tinder, no. So as this person he with her come dey chat now, he come tell her say okay, may dem see, you know. Say so she can't go there. As she go there now, they can't go for hotel, no. She can't tell her say she need money for school, for her school. So now that one can't tell her say okay, may we do upper direct, I go give you 100,000. All this one na because of say 100,000. Even the 100,000 she no even see money for account. The 100,000 wey be say this boy said, this Yahoo boy said, he no see anything, but he show am the receipt say I don't send you money. Una know the way they tell the fake everything now. If we put everything for system, he go screenshot and give you, whereas he no send am. It dey happen like that. Try to wise. If somebody say he send you money, make sure say you receive am before maybe you want say something for am, or maybe anything at all, because she no receive anything. Now only wetin she receive now be the wetin she carry for under leg. So now only that one that she receive. She no see money. She no know where the boy dey. She no even know where the boy dey stay. Nothing where she know about this boy. She no know anything. When she come house now everything come out. Everything they come out for a body. Everything now man God wey dey for inside, you know, everything they come out for inside body. My people, they no even take and go hospital. The worst part of it, una know the way they no, me I no understand that our country. No hospital, they no carry and go hospital. Now they put her for there, cause one of his brother wey be say this our brother come they talk to, come they ask and say wetin they come they give her now. They give her native medicine. I not thought say maybe native medicine no good though, but first of all they need to rush and go. But if you come they use that one for, you know, come they use that one, they join now good and fine. But not be because of say they no even carry and go hospital. They just leave her for house because of say the money no, they not get money. They want start to they use a native something. When the thing go down come to another level now, you know can't be beyond repair. Because something like this way be say man God just the fall come out for inside body. They need to rush and first of all go hospital, make them see wetin dey inside body, wetin they make other thing they come out, you know. May I put the video, may we watch on my people. More learn learn well. All this Yahoo boy because of money, 100,000. Go put yourself for risk. See this one now. She don't even know whether she go survive or she not go survive. Many people just they talk different thing about this thing. If it be real, if it be not be real, because me I don't know, I not there. Even the chat say she want just by herself. Like said the buy go just come now, make she kukuma just go another side. May we listen to what she talk. I bet more let me share this video for other people to learn, wise up, upper direct where they go. Even sometimes if you they go with your husband, the thing get as it be. If your husband a person where they cheat, you know, and if your husband not be that person where they cheat, good and fine. Because husband where see they cheat, if he still go carry something, can't give woman for inside house. May we listen to her.
Good afternoon. I know me and a trend online since that a young lady slept with a ritualist, a Yahoo guy, and I'll be seeing no need of you telling me anything again. I'll be seeing the maggot and everything. Please, can you tell us how it happened?
I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to explain it. We met on Tinder. So he chatted me up. He said he wanted to be a friend. I said, okay. So he invited me over. I went to see him. And then he said he'll give me 100,000. So I can use and take care of myself in school. So I just wish death would come. I wish death would come, oh. I'm tired, oh. I'm tired. So he did transfer for me. Transfer of 100,000.
My people, for those people where they talk, say maybe this story not be real, if you see the government where they come at, then they move, not be the one where maybe is stuck for one place. If they move, I don't know whether I see them. My people, if you now look at where if you see the maggot where they come out for a body, if they move. If you watch her, even the first video where be say I fair do, if you watch it lap, it they move. No, say that thing get as they do for body now. It go they irritate you. I don't know whether because she puts all here, it not go they irritate her, because some video just they fly up and down say nah, she just they do and just to get people attention, just to get view. I don't know, because looking at, I don't know as I go talk my people, because many people they use many things till they call traffic to their self. But doing something like this, I don't understand. What do you want gain? I know say that they gain popularity. People they could talk about them. May we still they watch the video they go.
100K.
But do you get the money?
I've not gotten the money up till now. But he showed me the receipt. He said he has done it. So I came back. I came back. And I started bleeding. I started bleeding, oh. I started bleeding. From the bleeding, I started seeing maggots. I started seeing maggots all around me. So I don't want to live again, no.
So
I want to die, oh.
Are you taking any treatment?
I want to die, oh.
Are you taking any treatment?
I want to die, oh.
You are the
I
brother,
don't
right?
want to live again, no.
Please, can you just come so that the camera will get you? Please.
This one are the brother.
So she have told you all that she passed through, right? Please, have you applied any treatment?
We've been trying. Like I don't even know where to start from. I don't even know what to say. I'm confused. Like I never knew all these things was going to come up. We've tried a lot on you. Why would she do? She didn't try. I don't know what to say.
Hey.
But she's taking one native medicine that we bought from one Yoruba.
Hospital, they no carry go.
Chai. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have seen it. I saw the video trending yesterday on Facebook, and I was like, let me chat this girl, know what's up. So when I chatted, it's now that I discovered that she's not even the one handling the page. It was her brother that was handling the page yesterday. So you guys can see. Please, our young ladies out there, I want you people to know that you are not the only poor person on earth. If you watch, you discover that a lot of us are from poor family. Understand?
I no be lie. Many people poor, not because of say you want to go use your course, because of say maybe you want pay house rent. You don't know what they go on. You don't know what that person get. You don't know what you want take for your body. You don't know what you want put for inside your body. Now wow, my people, if I dey see all these things, Many people say not be many people say not be real. Many people say na real. But only God know. If na real, if not be real, but it dey happen. Be very, very careful. Because you don't know what they want shook for inside your body. As far as say you don't agree, say, okay, give me the 100,000. The money I not even see am for hand. See now cry, now she can't dey cry. Be very careful. Not do anything because of what you want harm yourself. What you want you say because of say money. Okay, make I do the person go give me money. Now money now you love pass your life. If something don't enter your body, don't finish. See her now, she there for there. And then they give her native medicine. No money to take and go hospital. The money where be say you dey fine now. You not even see her. Money to go hospital, they not even see take carry you go. Be very careful of what you are doing. Now so some of our guests still they do. Go they agree for dog, go they agree for different things. When you don't know what something the way don't enter your body, don't finish. It go circulate all over your body. My brothers and sisters, now so we see our I see the other now say make I bring and come. May we could still hear again what really happen. Because for this 100,000 wait we be not know it not there for the first video. As I see this one, I say make I bring and come for now. Make una watch, make una learn. Especially those who are there for Nigeria. I know say some people who still there for abroad, they see they do this kind of thing. They'll just see man. You never even know how he be, how he not be, whether in a person where they okay, because not be everybody where they work out for street, now they okay. You know what he get for his side body. Yeah, once you now don't go upper direct, this something it don't still attached to you. You will come be problem go come. If something never enter body, now it good though. When it don't enter, you don't say they want to remove it, not come be as it be before. Please do not forget to share this video. Follow my page, Untouchable Mama Backup page, Untouchable Mama. Follow me on YouTube, Unto Mama. God bless you. I appreciate each and every one. Bye bye for now. Be very, very careful of what you are doing to yourself.